Take control of your online privacy and security right from your Chrome browser with Surfshark VPN. First, launch your Google Chrome browser, then open a new tab and search for the Chrome Web Store. Click on the official link to access it. In the Chrome Web Store search bar, type Surfshark VPN and hit enter or click the search icon. You'll see the official Surfshark VPN extension in the results. Look for the distinctive blue shark logo. Click on the Surfshark VPN extension to open its page here. You'll see an Add to Chrome button. Usually in the top right corner, click this button. A small pop-up will appear asking for your permission to add the extension. Review the permissions if you wish, and then click Add Extension. You'll see a confirmation message, and the Surfshark VPN icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar, typically to the right of your address bar. This indicates it's successfully installed. Now, to connect, click on the Surfshark VPN icon in your toolbar. A small window will pop up. If you already have a Surfshark account, click Login and enter your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up on the Surfshark website first. Once logged in, you'll see a large Connect button. Click it to establish a secure VPN connection. Surfshark will automatically choose the fastest server for you, or you can manually select a server location from the list by clicking on the map or the server list. Once connected, your internet traffic will be encrypted, masking your IP address and providing you with a safer and more anonymous browsing experience. You're now protected. With Surfshark in Chrome, you've just secured your online activity in a few simple steps. Enjoy a more private internet.